it's actually cold out here. I don't know, probably what, 54, 55 degrees. Supposed to go to 34 tonight. But regardless of what it is out here, we have got to get something done. Because if we don't do it, it ain't getting done. At least that's what I've been told by people who have gone to a whole bunch more school than me. Right? Oh, welcome back, guys. Mongo here at Mongo's Garage. Working on the old Four Winds Horizon 200. Almost called it a 2000. So tonight, my plan is to get as much of the floor out as humanly possible by one man in one night. Also do some more exploring, if you will. Find out what else needs to be replaced, what else is going to need fixed, and just how bad a shape that we're actually in. So stick around with me here tonight while we play here in Mongo's Garage. At least everybody else thinks it's play. I had jacked the boat up a little bit to try and get some of the water out of it. I'm gonna need that, aren't I? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so like I said, we're gonna try and get as much of the garbage out of the inside of the boat as we can, as far as the floor. So stick around. Mongo Man is gonna crawl up in there and get some stuff done.
You figure it out? Ooh.
Said you was open last shirt. Come on.
Well, well,
Deep subject.
I know. How is it? I don't hear you cussing.
Huh?
I don't hear you cussing. That's not doesn't look good.
Hey, YouTube, got the old Mongo man here. It is about 9:35, Wednesday evening here in Mongo's garage. Here comes somebody in the house, in the garage. Who is it? It's Kidgy. In his good clothes. So, yeah, we spent a little bit of time today and pulled the floor out of the driver's side of the boat, as you can see there. What we found was that the bulkhead in front of the fuel tank is bad. That stringer on the driver's side next to the ski locker there is pretty bad as well. The floor is rotten all the way up underneath of the open bow section, so that's going to be interesting. Trying to figure out how to fix that. The motor mounts on the left-hand side, not the right-hand side. I didn't check those. I checked the right-hand side, the left-hand side, are stripped in the motor mount itself. KJ's over there pulling up more rotten floor. Yeah, it's a little worse than we was hoping. Definitely a little worse than we thought. A lot worse than we thought. So at this point, I don't know what to do. Really, the only value left in the boat at this point is the engine and the trailer. You part it out, what are you going to do with that stuff? I mean, you can sell the trailer for a couple $100, the engine for a couple $100. I don't know. I don't know what to do at this point. I know it's going to take a lot of work to get it back up to where it's going to be a reliable boat, but I don't know that I'm the guy to do it. I know I've said in the past that Mongosaves, but there's just a point where you got to be realistic, I guess, right? So. All right, well, I am going to pine over this and try and figure out where we go from here, what we're going to do with the boat. I'm kind of glad we haven't named it yet. We really haven't got an attachment to it. So right now it's just a bunch of rotten wood wrapped in fiberglass with a leaky 350 in it with a bad outdrive. So I don't know. I think I'm going to take this one on the chin, but all things, all things are done for a reason, and we'll figure it out in the end. All right, guys, Mongo Man is out. Talk to you later. Bye.